I started cleaning out some closets today, and I found a bunch of old letters from my relatives. When I first moved to the Bay Area in the early 90s, I kept up all my correspondence with my relatives. This is amazing. Do you remember how we used to send each other old newspaper articles that we would think, well, they weren't old at the time, but newspaper articles that we thought would be of interest to each other? So many letters. I just love this. It's really fun, and I'm thinking about how back in the day, why did we have so much time? We could sit there and handwrite a letter or type a letter. We took the time to be thoughtful and to let someone know that we were thinking about them. And now we're just so busy. I think this year, this 2020, maybe I need to bring back the art of letter writing. This sweet little letter, just this tiny thing from my great uncle. And then he sent me some articles about the garden. Stuff from all my grandparents here, my parents, my siblings.